Hey viewers, Ross Doolin here, interior designer, husky dad, and carpool karaoke fan. Welcome to Malibu, California. I recently completed this outdoor living space project for a client. All of the furniture selections I chose are from Didon, or I don't know how you say it. Since this beautiful house is set right on the ocean, I wanted to ensure that one of the main seating areas would give those full ocean views. That's why I decided to go with this corner sectional that I'm sitting in. Also, you can't see the ocean as soon as you walk in the exterior patio door, so I felt like there had to be some focal feature. That's why I ended up placing the fire bowl in the center sight line upon entrance. No matter what space I'm designing, I always like to consider what the highlight of the overall environment should be. And in this case, it's all about the ocean. So I kept that in mind with my layout as well as my selections. I tend to find that contemporary furniture lacks a level of coziness. To give that vibe, I opted for a neutral color palette filled with warm tones: taupe, beige, browns, and touches of gray. The addition of the wood detailing on the wall art and the wood detailing on the chair arms helped continue that warm tone story. To balance out the concrete fireball, I introduced 2 locations of tiered plants and small succulents in cement vessels on the coffee table. I find that it's really important to carry over materials throughout the environment. This helps build visual consistency. My client is so happy with the space, he sends me videos and images all of the time. So happy that I'm here on site today to measure the oceanside deck area for new furniture. That's where I'm currently sitting now. Please subscribe to my channel to get notified for any new videos. If you are a new viewer, please submit any design questions through direct message on Instagram, in the comments below, or better yet, post a video with your question and tag me in it. That way I can see you and you can also show me your design 911. Thanks for watching.